New technologies inside Windows 10 enables you to log in with a fingerprint reader if you have one, and in the future you will be able to use facial recognition too. But you can still set up a picture password or PIN to make logging in easier. The various ways you can log in to Windows 10. Whether you use a password, PIN, picture password or fingerprint to log in to Windows 10, we have got you covered. Let's take a look at different ways available to sign in to Windows 10, from the least to the most secure. So let's start the video. The first one is what you see. When you start up Windows 10, you will see the lock screen. If you had used Windows 8, it's something you will be familiar with. You can get other information displayed here, including network and battery life information, and you can also change what appears in. Log in to Windows. As soon as you click on any key or tap on the lock screen, you will get this, the Windows login screen. You can use your password, fingerprint reader, picture password or PIN if you have set one up. Here a PIN is our default, but you can always use the sign in option button to use different method providing it's set up on your PC. Facial recognition. If you have seen adverts for Windows 10, you will have seen that it makes a big play of not needing your password to log in. The catch is that you need to special Intel RealSense camera to use facial recognition. Laptops will have built-in, but few do as yet. The next one is verifying identity. Future devices will be able to recognize who we are. This is an image of a demo from Microsoft, but it shows how our identity could be verified by our device camera for financial transactions, login into website and much more. This is referred as Windows Hello by Microsoft. Now let's check out through the sign in options in the settings. So let's go to the settings, sign in option. Here you can see the 4 ways are available through which we can sign. Facial recognition is not available. And the fingerprint sensor is also not available, so I cannot set up these two type of login password. Now here I can change the PIN password, which is by default. Another one is security key. Thank you for watching the video. If you find this video helpful, then please share and subscribe to the channel.